Bonnet Pro, helping cleaners grow. Welcome to Bonnet Pro, and thank you for watching the manufacturing process of our new ProCotton blend bonnet. Once the materials are selected, in this case 2A's exclusive Terran fibers and Bonnet Pro's new 4x8 cotton that is twice as strong and thick as our original cotton, that gives these pads increased durability and absorbency. It takes about an hour to load all of the material spools onto the machine and feed the individual threads through all of the needles. Then the materials are tufted into the backing material in different widths for different size pads. Every new pad requires a different setup. The run of material after being tufted is then turned over and tufted again on the other side. Once the run of material is created, then it is taken to the cutting table to be reduced to smaller squares. The squares are taken to a third operator that serges or cuts the squares into circles while closing the edge with stitching to keep the edging fibers from falling apart. Bonnet Pro adds a fourth step and over-edges the bonnet to further increase the product's durability. So what you end up with is a high-quality pad made right here in the United States. Thank you for watching. You can order your ProCotton series bonnets and sample packs from BonnetPro.com.